Hey guys, yeah man, this is AY and I'm back with another video. So today I got a special package in the mail. Now since I started riding, I was like, shit, I need to get me a full face helmet. But after searching online, I couldn't figure out which the right helmet to get. So I went out and ordered my helmet. So this is my video of my Bell Sanction full face helmet. All right, see there. All right, let's just see if I can get this open using one hand. All right. It's a little bit more difficult than I thought it would be. Okay. All right. So. Wow. All right. So. Okay. Let me just get this out of the way. All right. As you guys can see, this is the box.
Something to say. Check one, check one. Alright. Ear master right now. You see, I know nothing big still enough. But Jano Star. Them people.
Let's just see what's in the box. So we got our helmet right there. Full face helmet, owner's manual. Okay, we're gonna check that out later. Also, what is this? How to put camera mounts on it. Oh, we can mount a camera on this. Okay, it's cool. Okay, it's all in Japanese. Yeah, I got this from the Japanese store. Yeah. So, get away. Let's just see what the helmet looks like. Okay, I'm doing this with one hand. Let me change hand right now. So it comes in this really nice travel pouch, but I might have to get a helmet bag eventually. Okay, so here we go. This is a pretty nice helmet. Now today I've got me my brand new Bell Sanction full face helmet. Mind you, this is my first personal full face helmet, but I've used full face helmets before, and one thing I can say, straight out of the box, this helmet is very light. I'm not sure what the specifics that they say about the grams, but this is a very light helmet. Also, if you see on the top here, it has 10 holes at the top, meaning that your head is going to be able to breathe. I mean, my hair is growing, so I'm going to need a lot of wind coming through to keep my head cool. Also in the back, there's 4 holes in the back, and yeah, it's pretty rugged. It's pretty solid. One thing though, I realized that the padding, you can't take the padding out, even though I'm not sure if that's something that I would do. But another thing that I like about this helmet is the fact that how this thing clips. It is a standard clips like what you find like in a backpack. Yeah, so for me it's easy to put on by yourself. You know, that's it. It's very comfy. The cheeks are a little snug, and I got the large, and I don't think I have a big head, but I think that's how it's supposed to fit. It's pretty sturdy. I like it. Easy on, easy off. Yeah, but however, even though I love how this helmet look, this is not a helmet that I will ride every day in. I mean, I'm only going to use this helmet in the mountains, or if I'm riding at a skate park. But yeah, But right now, straight out the box, it's a really nice helmet, really lightweight. It's not too expensive, and also it's not too cheap either. Yeah, I really like the look of this helmet. There's a lot of other colors. I decided to get the matte black because it's more my style. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.